Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, November the 13th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we have a bunch of questions to answer from some viewers, and we have things to tell you about what went on this week. And we did a sew day yesterday, not here on my channel. We did an in-person sew day at the club. So we're going to talk about how that went, and just other bits and pieces and odd things to talk about. So I hope you can join in the conversation. And I have set up something new because, we've had a few trolls come on during the chats. And so I have set up the live so that you must be a subscriber to the channel in order to participate in the chat. You can, of course, still watch the video live or the episode live, but you won't be able to chat unless you are a subscriber. So if you have not been a subscriber, please do so before today's live if you want to participate in the chat. Okay, so that's today, Sunday, November the 13th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye for now.